Viewers, welcome to ICT. Today, I'll discuss about few hidden features of Windows 10 which will make your computer more smarter and more easier. The people are not using that features, but if you want to be a smart user, then you have to use it. Let me show what are that features. Viewers, welcome back. The first features is add more clock. What is more clock? Normally we can see the time and date from here. If you want to more time like others countries time and others country date, you can add here. Okay, now follow the step. Go to the control panel. And make it category view and go to local and region. Add clock for different time zone. Add clock for different time zone. Click here and fill the checkbox. Also this one. This two will be another clock for your settings. Like I will use the United Kingdom time zone. Okay, I just saving the Eastern time, which is for US and Canada. Okay, just rename here US and Canada. Next one is for like any other. You can as your requirement you can select this one. I'm selecting Bangkok. Okay, just rename this Bangkok. Just apply and press on OK. Just you can check here. Just click here. You can see this is your local time zone and date, and this is your you have added. This is the way to add more clock in your settings. Now go to the next step. Some of us we are normally using the command prompt like plus R CMD press enter. Normally we are using this format to do many things in our computer, so we can use this command prompt option in a different way. Like you can change the setting, like if you can change the color, you can change the font, you can change the cursor size or font color. So go to title bar and right click properties. You can change the view of this window. Like from this window you can get options on layout and colors. From option you can resize your cursor, like you can use larger on, you can use font size like 20, you can change your layout like I am using height and color. You can use any other color like this one. Okay, now press on OK. You can see this change already, and if you write here you can do everything. Like you can not see the letter, so we have to change the color because our font color is white. That's why we cannot use this color. Then you have to use the font color also. Screen text, then you have to change your this one. Okay, now we can see the text color. Sorry, this way. And another options is there which is opacity setting, and you can use this one to create a transparency of your window. It's the way the transparency. You can use this. You can use this, or you can change the color of the background. It should be different color. Okay, now it's okay. This is how you can use your command prompt window. Now go to the next step. Normally if you want to the screenshot of a PC, then normally we are using third-party software or snipping tool, this one. Except this, we can use another options which is given by Windows by default. That is Snip and Sketch. To get an Snip and Sketch options, you have to press on your keyboard Window key plus Shift plus S. This is the options to get the Snip and Sketch from your PC. Just select your area what you can want to take a snap. I have just select, and this is the pop-up menu. Just click on here and you can see this is that image which I have taken the snap. Now you can save or you can edit here anything. Just press on save and select your desired folder. Pressing test, save, close. This is the snap what I have taken from the Snip and Sketch tools. I am repeating again. To go to Snip and Sketch tools, you have to press Window key plus Shift plus S. Now go to the next step. Yes, all of we know about the calculator of Windows PC. Go to calculator. Normally we are getting this one, which is a standard calculator, which is normally we can plus, minus, multiplex or divided or any other few things, which is limited. But so many options and so many features on this calculator. Like if we go to this menu, you can see so many things here. Like if you want to this calculator as a scientific calculator, just you have to press on scientific. Click. You can see this is already converted to scientific mode. If you want to use as a programmer, then we can select here. This is options for programmer. Now data calculation also, and so many converter here. If you want to use temperature, mass or length, volume or any other like length, we can select meter for inches. Like data here, 1 meter is equal to 39.37 inches. This is the way to use this calculator in a multiple way. After completion your task, you can convert into standard mode. Just select one. Now this is in a standard mode. This is how we can use this calculator in a different way. Now we are moving to a simple one. This is very much simple, but people are not using this one. This is the wallpaper which is given by the Windows by default. If you want to change, we have few options. In a different way we can use. Just press on right click and go to personalize. In the same way, we can change our wallpaper from this option, or we can give it from our computer by pressing the browse button. Now we can select from this. Just I have taken a folder in my desktop. Now I have select this one and choose this picture. Now this is my desktop background. You can check out. You can see this is my desktop background. Except this, we can change about our lock screen. Normally people are using the by default which is given by Windows. Except this, you can change this as our requirement. Go to pictures and you can select one or more pictures from here. Like I am using my folder wallpaper, you can use this. Choose. Now this will be my lock screen. Okay, lock screen. If we want to use one or more pictures, then we have to select slideshow. Then we can give it a folder also. Just go to desktop, this folder, choose. Now pieces will be used for all of 3 pictures for lock screen. You can use that's all for the new features which is hidden. People are not using that. So thank you very much for staying with me. And another information is that if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for next video. Thank you very much.